This is a pretty cool news for Systeme IO, this funnel builder, this business management tool, because now they implemented Subaccounts. Stay with me, I will show you this pretty good new update. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Maybe you already know Systeme IO, or maybe not. This is a very good tool because you can start for free and you have many things for free, and here you can build your email marketing system, you can build your funnels, you can build websites and blogs, you can manage your affiliate program, you can create online courses, your store for digital products, you can automate your marketing, all for a little price, starting for free, because as you can see you have a freemium plan with 2000 contacts, with unlimited email sent and many other things. You can click on the link in the description, you will go to this page, you can check all these plans. And if you are using other tools like Kajabi or something similar, well, I think you will find something really interesting, especially if you need something totally unlimited, because here the unlimited plan has all these things unlimited, and obviously also with some discounts if you pay yearly. And if you have a serious business, this is the plan I'm suggesting. But now I'm giving you a new reason, and a very good reason, to purchase one of these plans, obviously, because they introduced subaccounts. Yes, now you can create how many subaccounts you want under your main account directly in Systeme. So this is the dashboard of Systeme. This is a demo account. As you can see, you have many things: CRM, websites, emails, automations, assets, and sales, and other things. Here now you have this subaccounts section. So let's say you have different projects you want to work on, or you have different clients. You can manage all the subaccounts here. And probably you are asking yourself, okay, but how many subaccounts? Now, this is the news from today. The new subaccount limit logic is live. Let's take a look at this official post from Aurelien here in the Facebook group. Each subaccount now has the same limits as your main account. For example, if you're on the startup plan, you get unlimited subaccounts, each with its own full startup limits at no extra cost. What does it mean? If you have the startup plan, as they say here, you can get unlimited subaccounts. Each subaccount will have these limits, so 5000 contacts, unlimited email sent, 10 email campaigns, and so on. This is pretty interesting and a pretty good deal, I will say. This is really game-changing if you have different projects or different clients, because for the same price you can manage many other subaccounts with all these same limits. And obviously the same is for freemium, webinar, and unlimited plans. So yes, even the freemium plan gives you subaccounts with these limits. So now with a freemium account you have how many subaccounts you want to manage different projects with the same limits. Each subaccount will have the same limits of the main account. This is why you want to switch to Systeme, or at least try Systeme if you never tried out. And with this move, I think they will earn a lot of new customers. This means an even better product. This means new features, and they are adding many features lately. If you want, you can check their official Facebook group. It's Systeme.io creators group, replaces ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and so on. And this is just the last great update. As you can see, the comments here, amazing news, amazing. This is a very big news. And again, obviously, if you have unlimited plan, you will have unlimited subaccounts with unlimited everything. As you can see here, even A/B test, custom domains, file storage, order bumps, and again Stripe integration, Apple Pay integration, PayPal integration, all whatever you need. Blogs unlimited, blog posts unlimited, unlimited physical products store, shipping management, and unlimited courses, unlimited students, whatever you want, it's here with many other integrations. This is for the unlimited plan, but as you can see, even these lower plans have many things, starting from the freemium account. If you are just starting out, you can start for the freemium one. If you already have a business, I would highly suggest you one of these other plans. Again, the link is in the description. Then here in your main account, you can create your sub-accounts, give a name, give an email, it's optional, give a subdomain if you want, you can create how many you want, and again with the same limits as the main account. I think this is the coolest news about Systeme.io in the last 2 years, I will say. And again, they are adding many new features. You can keep track of them here on their Facebook group. So if you never tried out Systeme.io for your sales funnels, again for marketing emails, websites and blogs, and you want to create your own affiliate program, you have courses, you want to automate your marketing, and you want to save money if you are already using other tools like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and something similar, this is the tool you want to switch on. And now with sub-accounts. So, click on the link in the description. I hope you found this video useful for you. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you click here, you can watch for my previous videos about Systeme. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.